Waste Connections has received approval from the Toronto Stock Exchange for the annual renewal of its normal course issuer bid, allowing the company to repurchase up to 12,855,691 common shares, representing 5% of its outstanding shares over the next 12 months. The renewed NCIB will commence on August 12, 2025, and will continue until August 11, 2026, or until the program is completed or terminated. Daily repurchases will be limited to 80,213 shares on the TSX and 25% of the average daily trading volume on the NYSE and NYSE Texas. The company's management will base its decisions on share repurchases on market conditions, share price, and other factors, including potential acquisition growth opportunities. All repurchased shares will be canceled, aligning with Waste Connections' objective to return capital to shareholders over time. Under the previous NCIB, the company purchased 1,299,339 shares through the NYSE. In other developments, Waste Connections has appointed Jason Kraft as Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer, effective August 9, 2025, replacing Daryl Chambliss, who retired in July. Chambliss will remain as a senior advisor and has been instrumental in the company's growth and success over the past 28 years. CEO Ron Mittelstadt expressed gratitude to Chambliss for his contributions to the company. Then, despite soft earnings, shareholders seem unconcerned, with some analysts believing the earnings are stronger than they appear. Unusual items, such as a $152 million expense, impacted the company's profit. But if these expenses don't recur, Waste Connections' profit could increase next year. Analysts forecast the company will generate $11.3 billion in revenue and $1.7 billion in earnings by 2028, representing an annual revenue growth rate of 7.1%. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.